Not the phone case kind, but the kind that holds cryptocurrency. The world of crypto can seem complex, but it doesn't have to be. Today, we're diving into one of the most popular and secure platforms for buying, selling, and storing crypto, Gemini. Maybe you've heard whispers of Bitcoin or Ethereum, or perhaps you're a seasoned investor curious about expanding your portfolio. Regardless of your experience level, if Gemini has piqued your interest, you're in the right place. Because before you jump into the exciting world of crypto, there's one crucial step: opening a Gemini account. So, buckle up, crypto-curious comrades, because we're about to break down exactly what you need to get started on Gemini. First things first, let's address the elephant in the room: is cryptocurrency safe? While the crypto market can be volatile, Gemini prioritizes security. They hold the majority of user digital assets in offline, cold storage, meaning they're not connected to the internet and therefore less vulnerable to hacking. Additionally, Gemini is a regulated exchange, which adds another layer of trust and transparency. Okay, convinced about security? Let's get down to brass tacks. To open a Gemini account, there are a few key things you'll need to have on hand. Your government-issued ID. This could be your passport or a valid driver's license. Make sure it's not expired and has your current address. Your social security number, SSN, or social insurance number, SIN. This is for verification purposes and helps prevent fraud. A phone number. You'll need this for two-factor authentication, an extra layer of security to protect your account. A bank account. This is where you'll transfer funds to buy and sell cryptocurrency on Gemini. Now, the process itself is pretty straightforward. Head over to Gemini's website and click on Get Started. You'll be guided through a user-friendly registration process where you'll enter your personal information, link your bank account, and complete the verification steps. Here's a heads up: verification can take some time, so be patient. But once you're verified, you're good to go. Bonus tip: Gemini offers two account types, individual and institutional. Individual accounts are perfect for personal investing, while institutional accounts cater to businesses and high-volume traders. Choose the one that best suits your needs. Alright, so you have your ID, your SSN, your phone, and your bank account linked. Now what? Well, the fun part begins. You can now explore the vast world of cryptocurrency on Gemini. Buy Bitcoin, dabble in Ethereum, or choose from a variety of other coins and tokens. There are resources and educational tools available on the platform to help you navigate the crypto landscape. Remember, the crypto market is constantly evolving, so do your research before making any investment decisions. By following these steps and keeping a curious mind, you'll be well on your way to exploring the exciting world of cryptocurrency with Gemini. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.